Welcome to Credit Monster, where high limits are achievable and bad credit is beatable. It's your boy again, Daquan, back here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Opensky credit card. This credit card is a personal favorite of mine. I've personally had it for almost a year now, and basically it's a credit card for people with bad credit, and also it requires no credit check. If you don't want to get a credit check, if you don't want to get an inquiry on your credit report, this is the perfect card for you. Let me explain some details. This credit card does require a security deposit. This is a secure credit card, so the minimum security deposit is $200, but you could put up to $3,000 on this credit card. And if you ask me, the more the merrier, because the actual limit will be reported on your credit report, and the bigger your credit line, the better it looks for you. But if you can't put down 3,000, that's fine. Just start with the minimum. You could always put more in there later. Also, it does have an annual fee. The annual fee is $35. But if you ask me, that is a small annual fee compared to many other credit cards out there for people with bad credit. And honestly, this is just a temporary credit card that you will have for about 2 to 3 years until you get your credit situation straightened out. And then most likely you will probably cancel this credit card because it does not graduate. So that's one of the cons. Another good thing about this credit card, which is a super plus, is they accept people who file bankruptcy. So if you know about bankruptcy, you know that it's very hard to get anything in credit. It's hard to get credit cards, it's hard to get mortgages, it's hard to get car, anything. You can't get nothing after a bankruptcy for the most part. But this credit card actually allows people who went through the bankruptcy process to apply for this card, and this credit card actually has a 99% approval rating. So that is awesome. So let's break it down. Who is this credit card really for? This credit card is for people with bad credit, and to be more specific, when I say bad credit, I mean you have collections, you have charge-offs. When you have collections and charge-offs, it's a little harder to get credit cards. It's not the fact that you have bad credit, it's more the fact that you still have collections and charge-offs. So this is a perfect card to get while you're getting those collections and charge-offs off your credit report or paying them off. So this is the perfect card to build your credit while you're going through the credit repair process. This card is also perfect for people who filed for bankruptcy. So as you waiting for that bankruptcy to fall off or waiting to dispute it off, you can actually go ahead and build credit while you waiting for that process to finish. And so when that bankruptcy does get off your credit report, you will be amazed at your credit score. This is also for people who have too many inquiries. If you have more than 5 inquiries on your credit report, it's a little harder to get credit products because it makes it look like you're thirsty for credit, meaning you're desperate, and that's a higher risk for the bank. So you don't want too many inquiries on your credit report within a given year. But if you do, this credit card is perfect because it does not require a credit check. It does not put an inquiry on your credit report, so you will be able to get this credit card and start building credit even if you have too many inquiries. Now, this credit card is not for people with no credit. Okay, bad credit and no credit is two different things, even though it might seem similar. If you have no credit, meaning you have nothing on your credit report, you have no credit score, a clean slate, I do not suggest this credit card because this credit card does not graduate. It does not upgrade. So you should go for a credit card such as the US bank cards that I normally recommend, or even this Discover card, the Secure Discover card, or even a Capital One Secure card, because those credit cards actually allow you to upgrade versus this credit card does not allow you to upgrade. You would have to close out the account to actually get your security deposit back. This credit card is also not for people who want rewards such as cash back, flight miles, or even points. This credit card does not offer any of those things. You will be hard pressed to find any credit card for people with bad credit that does offer those things. But you know, here at the Credit Monster, you might find one, because I might find one, and I'm gonna let you know about it. So that's why you should subscribe too. I highly recommend this credit card. It is perfect for people, like I said, with bad credit, who do not need no more inquiries, who went through bankruptcy. The actual APR, which is the interest on this credit card, is low. It's like 17.9%. I mean, it is variable, so it fluctuates with the market, but it's pretty low for a secure credit card. So if you was to hold a balance on this card, you would have low minimum payments. So I really do recommend this card. But that is the Opensky credit card. The application will be in the description below. Again, thank you for watching this video. This is Daquan with Credit Monster. Don't forget to smash that like button so it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. It helps us get this information to more people who really needs it. And I'm enjoying making these videos. We trying to grow to 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe and share with all your friends. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.